Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Apps Portals Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 107, Unexpected Skipped Lookups with the Configuration Migration Tool. I've spent quite a few tips recently talking about Power Apps Portals ALM with the Configuration Migration Tool. While the previous tips covered the process at a high level, these tips did leave out some details. One of these is why certain lookups are skipped when importing, even though the necessary record exists in the target environment. When using fetch.xml to limit which records are imported and exported with the Configuration Migration Tool, you might run into cases where certain lookup fields end up with a blank value in the target environment, even though they had a value in the source environment. When you inspect the logs, you'll see a message that the lookup was skipped because the record was not available in the target environment. Strangely though, if you look for a record with that ID in the target environment, it will be there. What's going on? This happens when the records included in your export refer to other records whose type is included in the export, but that specific record wasn't. So if a specific entity is included in your schema, the Configuration Migration Tool will only look at records in the export in order to resolve the lookups. A good example of this would be web pages. If you choose to only include pages you've modified in your schema file via fetch.xml filters, this may leave out those pages' parent page. If a specific entity is not included in your schema file at all, then you won't run into this issue. This only applies to entities included in your schema. For example, if you choose to leave publishing states out of your schema file because you only use the default ones, then those lookups will resolve without issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Apps Portals tip number 107 on unexpected skipped lookups with the Configuration Migration Tool useful.